Hey, welcome back to Bob's Wood Shop. Well, working on the bench now, and we've butt jointed the nut and the extension from the nut for the end cap. And now we've got to level that so that it's perfectly square and perfectly flat. Is because on the outside is going to be this is a little over 3/4 of an inch, and this will be glued after I drill a hole in it to the face of this here. Once that glue disappears on the line, then we're there. Oh yeah. So we gotta come down from here to here a little bit, just a little bit up on, a little lower down there. So we'll get that out. So it sits a little flusher. Alright, I'm going to get the pencil and start to zero this thing in now. Get those little tiny high spots off. They're not more than a couple of thousandths, but hey, if you can get them off, why not, right? Okay, so that's where we gotta take that out. Use number 3 for that. Okay. Now we're looking on this. That's the square side. Goes actually over here on the face. Either side, whichever side lines up the best, I guess. They should be all square. Oh yeah. Very good. Okay. Let's see. We're going to take a little bit more over here. Okay, that'll give us a really, really tight seam. So we're ready to rock and roll on that. After this hole is in, after the hole is drilled in, and I'm going to run the screw down through the hole a little bit. All right, and then about an inch up, I'm going to wrap it with blue painter's tape. I'm going to finish the screw first. Any residue, which probably would be none on painter's tape, but if you get any residue on there, we don't want it on the threads. And then we'll run this down so that there's enough tape on the thread that it will center the hole on this. And then we can clamp that down and let it dry, and then back out the screw. And once the screw is backed out, okay, here's where we going to mount the outer board on the nut and the nut extension. I'm going to put a little bit of wax just on the outside of the threads. Got the board on top of the nut, and I'm going to run it part way down. Probably be a good idea to, there we go, we're in. Probably be a good idea to put little cleats on each side of the board so that when the glue is on there, it doesn't shift off it. So we'll try this and see how she works. As possible. It's going to take quite a few turns around. There we go. That looks like it's just about right. Get that on there nice and tight, and I think we've the outside up on top a little bit. I can probably slide the board up. See, that goes right down onto that. It'll keep the glue from sliding into the hole too. So yeah, I think that's going to work.